Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb. And yes, I get 2 of these boxes. And I do that because I'm hoping that they'll give me 2 different, a lot of times they'll give me 2 different versions of it. And then also, sometimes, they haven't for a while, but they used to have where they would have an upgraded version. So that way I just got both, that way, got 2, that way I could upgrade one and not the other. But they haven't done that in a long time, and I don't really know if they're going to do it or not. But this box is $8.95, and that includes shipping. This is always worth the money, and it did just go up, only about $1 or something like that. But it just did go up, and I mean, we've gotten candles in this box before. Which, you know, we get a lot of nice stuff in here. So, and sometimes we get full size items. Sometimes, you know, you're not guaranteed to. But for $8.95, come on. So here is your book. I don't know if I showed you how that comes. But it comes just like this. Now I did take the seal off of it because I was trying to, and see, it tells you what you could have gotten and the value of them, and then it has where you can scan and shop the items. So it makes it really easy. So anyway, let's just go through these one by one. And I just recorded a couple of them. So yes, my shirt is the same, but I'm going to try to put these all up this week because they all came at once this month for some reason. So I thought, well, I'll just do them all and throw them up there. Then they're up there, and I believe my mystery boxes are supposed to be in here by the end of the week. I'm hoping. Because I want to go to my sister's. I was going to have her help me do it. But anyway, this is our first sample, and it's smooth tea tree oil and rosemary, scalp care shampoo, and scalp conditioner. A lot of people like these, just throw in their bags, you know, when they're going on vacation or something. I usually just use them. Then we have, what is this? This is Guru Nanda Premium Whitening Strips. And it gradually whitens teeth with each use. No mess dry strip technology. I've never heard of that before. But okay. And I'll pass that down the way because my top teeth ain't real. My bottom teeth need pulled. I'm working on it. I'm working on it. I'm going this week to get the tires on, and I can make my point. I have a treatment Friday, and another doctor's in about an hour away. So. And then we have Yerba Mate Wake Up Eye Gel by Good Molecules. And Good Molecules is a good brand. Reduce signs of puffiness and plump the appearance of fine lines. And it's got all the ingredients on the back. Listed in a very readable manner. So we will open it. We will open it. And this is what it looks like. And it's sealed. You know, it's one of these where you take the lid and pop it. Ooh. As you can see, that's the consistency. And there's like a yellow tint to it. Kind of looks like pus. Doesn't it? It looks like pus. Okay, I'm going to put it here on my arm. That feels nice. It does feel nice. But it looks like pus. You know, coming out your eye. That's all right. Oh, and I don't know if I told you, but I need you to like, subscribe, and do the YouTube stuff. It's so important, and YouTube is making so many new changes. And I'm trying to make changes around here to get this where I can do it, you know, more on time. So like, subscribe, do the YouTube stuff. It really helps us out. And then we have Nair Body Cream Hair Remover. Soothing Aloe and Water Lily. Smooth skin for days. Reduces hair regrowth. Dermatologist tested. Try our sensational formula. And, okay, that's what it looks like. Squeeze cream into palm of hand. Apply a thick, even layer to cover hair. Do not rub in. Wash hands immediately after application. Wait 3 minutes and check the small area. Thicker hair may require more time. If hair removal is not complete, leave lotion on to additional minutes. Do not exceed 10 minutes of total application time. Gently wipe off lotion with a damp washcloth. It does say body, so I don't think I would use it on my face, but it does say body. And it says free sample not for use, and it's 2 fluid ounces, so that's a good sample. You know, I mean, if you wanted to do your whole age, you probably could do that with just this. But no. And it's sealed. See, I got 2 boxes, and they were both the same this time, so I got 2 of these. So together, they're close to a full-size bottle. I want to see this sensational smell. I can't smell it. Hold on. I really don't smell that well since I had COVID a couple of years ago. Still don't smell that well. But this, it just smells clean. It doesn't have that overwhelming odor, like, you know, it doesn't have that perm smell or anything. It's just pretty well. It smells like a very, very faint scent of maybe baby powder. That's what it smells like to me. Like Johnson & Johnson baby powder, but a very, very, very small scent smell of it. It's very faint, and you have to really smell. Oh, wait a minute, there's more stuff in here. I thought there was. So that's 1, 2, 3. Is this? No, that was the other one. Okay. Oh, the hair. That's what I was like. Okay, then we have Gold Bond Age Renew Retinol Overnight Body and Face Lotion. And it's clinically shown to reveal smoother looking skin overnight. Non-irritating and gentle for daily use. Okay, let's try this. Okay, it's not safety sealed, but you know, that's the consistency. Now this is pretty thick stuff. And you know, it says for overnight use. It has retinol in it, so it feels good. It does feel good. It kind of feels like it might have a little, you know, like a little silicone in it. You know what I mean? You know how you get that feeling where it's like it's laying on your skin, protecting your skin. And it's retinol and peptide complex, so and it's good for your face and your body. So I like that. Oh, I haven't been giving you the prices of these either. Let's see. Full size is $5.84, and that's 2.87 ounces. So this is almost full size by itself. So, okay, the Good Molecules is full size, and it's $5.97. And let's see what this is. Oh, I haven't done this one yet. Okay. But I'll put the prices on the screen, and I'll leave the links below. So if you just want that item. But I'll also leave the link to their beauty box. Now this one is the Roche-Posay. I don't know if I'm saying that right or not, but Laboratory Dermatology, whatever. And it is for normal to oily skin, which I have dry skin, so. And it's purifying foaming cleanser. Ceramide free, niacinamide, and prebiotic thermal water. That's what it looks like. And this is full size, is 13.52 ounces, and it's $19.97. And I usually do break down the value, you know, because people want to know, am I getting my money's worth? And this is, you can see, that's the consistency. That was 2 little drops. Now this is just, you're supposed to, you know, this is cleanser, so you'll be at, you know, on your face, it'll foam up a little bit, but I just want to smell it. It smells like soap. That's what it smells like. So I will put that up for Char. Put it in her little... Okay, and then we have a perfume sample. Mine fell out. Okay, this is Origen Amalfi Love Bloom. Don't be talking that shit to me. I don't want to hear it. Okay, full size is $19.97, and it's $5.87 a fluid ounce, and you get 1 ounce. So this will be valued at $5.87. I think it's 1 ounce, maybe. I don't have any idea, quite honestly. Oh, here it is. It's 0.4 fluid ounces, so it's about half an ounce. So there you go. But that's not really bad for a perfume. $19.97 for a full size. And I do like these little samples sometimes. I like to throw them in my purse when I'm traveling or something. I like that smell though. I'm trying to think. Does it say its notes on it? Yeah, let's see. Journey to the Amalfi Coast. Notes of orange blossom and vanilla intertwined. The sun sets on a scented love story. Notes of rose, orange flower, and vanilla. And I do like rose. I know people either love it or hate it, and I love it. I do like the smell of that one. For 20 bucks, that's not bad. I will have to set that aside because I may purchase some of that for the girls. But I do like the smell of it. And it's something cheap enough that if you want it to be your signature scent, then you can afford to keep up with it, which is great. See, it already fell out again. So, which is great because, you know, nothing worse than getting your signature scent and then running out and they close down or they quit making it. Drives me crazy. But anyway, that is my Walmart beauty box for, is this considered their, I don't know if it's going to say it or not, but it's there's for you. No. I don't know. New season blooming beauty. But it doesn't say. I have a feeling it's spring because they keep talking about bloom. So anyway, like, subscribe, do the YouTube stuff. It helps. It helps. I'm telling you, it helps. So come on back, like, subscribe. Well, people need love too. Bye.